So Leute!
Hallo, Shell.
Ja, was nehmen wir? Nehmen wir Shell oder nehmen wir die Shell?
Wen gibt's noch außer die Shell? Die Shell?
Die Shell?
Dann will ich die Shell nehmen.
Dann lieber die Shell, gell? Alles klar.
Aber da steht Warning. Nimm.
Nimm die Warning. Ach so. Denkst du Warning for the Shell? Oh Gott. Jupp. Ah, das ist in dem Diner von der Episode davor. Oh Mann.
Wait.
Hey, Shell, your sister's getting pretty good, huh?
Becca had a good teacher, Steph. Thank you for doing that. She needs something to focus on besides, you know, everything else.
Yeah. Growing up in a world like this, what do you think that does to a kid?
Spielspaß, Spannung.
Spielspaß und Spannung, jawohl.
I don't know. I know it's changed me.
Ob der Ketchup noch gut ist da hinten?
Stimmt.
This age,
Stimmt, Heinz Ketchup.
Ja. Aber
Becca's a good kid. These are shit times. She's gonna go through that. But if we can keep her from experiencing some of the shit I've seen,
thanks, Stephanie.
Thanks.
Becca, that was great.
Thanks, sis. You think we can do something like this every week?
As long as it doesn't distract from keeping this place safe. That's always the priority.
That was amazing, Becca. We could all use a little more music in our lives. Did I ever tell you that I used to play in a band?
yes, Roman, you've told us. She doesn't want to hear about it again.
All right, all right. In that case, let's get back to work.
Wo sind die zwei Alte? Ich such die zwei Alte.
Vegetable garden. We're having tonight.
ich glaube, die zwei Alte sind doch schon vorher erschossen worden. Es war Dark 100 noch was.
You want to help me and Shell
Yeah?
with the supply inspection?
Da waren noch zwei Blutflecke auf der Couch.
Ah,
auf der
okay,
Sitze.
okay.
I'll look over the guns.
Ich glaube, das war dann noch jetzt. Ne, 400. Na, keine Ahnung, ich weiß nicht mehr.
Can't have him screwing up because we got lazy.
Ich weiß das nicht mehr.
Shell, when you get
Aber
a
irgendwie
sec,
ist alles
meet me out
verbunden.
back. Help me feed the watchdogs.
Sure thing.
Selbst wenn es nur die Location ist. Aber verbunden.
Ja, vielleicht hätte es ein bisschen mehr ineinander greifen können.
What did Roman want?
I don't know yet.
Are you gonna find out?
Yeah, in a sec.
Sick. Ganz. Flashlights, erlaubt. Komm. Ja, rede ich noch mit der Tiffany.
You guys need help?
Nah, we got this. Right, Becca? You go ahead and help Roman out back.
Okay. Roman.
Ah.
Roman. Kitchen doors. Roman. Wasch. Da gab's die Waschsuppe und die Ravioli. Employers only, alles klar. Way!
Scared me.
He's hungry. Guess he knows it's feeding time.
The cop. You know,
War er verreckt?
vom Hippie. It's not an animal.
It's not an animal, Roman.
Well, it's not human either. Not anymore. You know, your sister said she wouldn't mind doing this.
Roman, we've talked about this. Becca doesn't need to deal with this kind of thing.
Listen, I know you
Warum,
think
für was?
an easy life is what's best. It's really not.
This is far from an easy life, Roman.
You know what I mean. She needs to know the sacrifices we have to make to survive in this world.
As long as she knows how to protect herself, it's fine. I don't want her to stop caring about people.
Okay.
Okay.
What's that one eating?
I don't know. I'll check it out.
I gotta get back out front. Looking forward to that soup.
Wurst-Soup.
Du hättest halt ein paar Zombies, kalte. Walker. Talk to Walker, cool. Komm her.
Was?
Und wie geht es heute? Nein, böser Walker, ganz böse. Guck mal, da jetzt eine Stange ins Popöchen.
Das ist die Oma. Das ist die Oma. Das ist die Oma. Ist das die Oma? Ist es?
Oma?
Oma?
Ja, was frisst ihr da? Ein Hund? Eine Katz? Ja, das ist die Oma. Aber was frisst ihr da?
Das Stofftier.
Ja, aber das Stofftier hat geblutet.
Der Bluttier.
Blutier. Von TY. Das ist Bunny, der blutende Hase.
Du kannst ihn mit Nadeln stechen. Und es steht da. Da ist so eine geknallt.
Whoa! What's your problem? I do this all the time. You don't get all pissed off.
You just
Bah!
go jumping out at people. Not anymore. It's not safe.
But
What if I had a weapon? I could have thought you were a walker.
what are you talking about?
I
About walkers.
just saw our walkers out back eating a puppy.
A puppy?
Yeah. I guess it just got to me. You know, it was so little. You don't think about babies anymore, but after a while you just kind of accept this is it.
Yeah.
Ja gut, was sollen sie noch machen?
Yeah.
Können nicht den ganzen Tag an alte Zeiten denken. Es geht nicht. Es gibt keine alte Zeiten mehr. Es gibt auch keine neue Zeiten mehr. Es gibt keine Zeit mehr.
Ja, es gibt. Eigentlich gibt's gar nichts. Eigentlich kann man nur sagen,
Und was machst du heute so?
Clive dies next, we can put him out there instead. He'd make a better watchdog.
Obwohl ich so Endzeit wo gern mit, also ohne Zombies. Finde ich interessant, mal so überleben in verlassene Städte.
Something's going on outside.
What is it?
I don't know, something bad. We gotta find Roman.
Roman.
Oh,
Es geht mir nicht mehr aus dem Kopf. Es geht nicht mehr raus.
ich schneide das raus, ich hol's raus.
Ich hol's raus. Oh, Shaky Cam.
Shit. Come on, we gotta find Roman.
Die geil, Stefanie.
This month.
Die sieht echt gut aus.
Gell, die ist super.
Largum.
My God, what did you do?
All I did was put on the blindfold and bind his wrists. Somebody else beat him up. He already had the cuts and bruises.
Watchdogs caught him trying to steal supplies.
Is he bitten?
No.
Ich habe so eine böse Stimme, dass ich rot untertitelt werde.
What did he take?
What did he take?
Food, medicine, whatever he could get his hands on.
Usual stuff. I couldn't get any other information out of him. I don't think he speaks English.
I can't believe he just snuck in.
Second break-in we've had
Let me
in the
go.
last couple of weeks.
Let me go.
It's me, Mario.
They got away with more medicine than we could afford.
We all know what it's like trying to survive out there.
Das muss Münzig so.
What did you try to steal? Bibbidi bobbidi 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 bobbidi.
Send him on his way.
What if there are more of them? He could have been scouting.
That's right. He could be part of a larger group.
If there were more, I think we would have seen them by now. I mean, nobody travels alone by choice anymore, right?
We can't take the risk of letting him go, but why not let him stay?
I guess that would be okay.
We could always use more hands keeping the place secure.
Boyd, we don't need any more people here. And look at him. How is he can't even speak English. This group
Das ist ein Monster, er kann nicht mal Englisch sprechen. Ein Monster.
That's racist.
Are you judging him based on race?
Of course not. But come on.
Well, he's not staying here.
Ich hab Nipples auf dem T-Shirt.
Ja, das wollte ich auch gerade sagen.
Na gut, es stand Nipples, aber ich sag Nipples. Ist die Nippeloma.
Burning with that
I.
damn boat.
Das sollte bei der Anna drauf stehen.
And the boat are the reason the group fell apart. Not trusting strangers. He made us beat up that guy with the mustache and steal his boat.
Alter Busch.
Oh, beat that guy with the mustache and steal his boat. Er hat eine Bootkarte und die haben ihn weggekloppt.
Alter.
Oh
Can't
Gott.
stay here.
Wie hieß er überhaupt?
I
Duck?
agree.
Nee.
Keeping him here is
Alter.
not an option. His
zu
condition
Frank?
will
Nee.
be a drain on our
Ich
resources
weiß gar nicht.
Ich habe ein Boot. Zuerst einen Zug gehabt und dann ein Boot. Und jetzt habe ich ein Boot.
about here, so let's stop dancing around it. We either
Ich habe
let
gerade
this
kurz
guy
gedacht,
go,
das Kind wäre die
take
Clem.
our chances, or we kill him.
Ja, nee.
Aber nee.
Are you serious?
Das ist noch nicht so lange
Are
her.
you serious? Roman's right. It's gotta be one or the other.
We're letting him go. It's the only right thing to do.
I'm telling you, we can't do that.
But killing him? Is that really the answer?
Stephanie, Boyd, you two don't
Boyd.
think we should kill him. We know where Joyce and Clive stand on the subject. You're the swing vote here, Shell. What's it gonna be?
Überleben lassen, oder?
We have to set him free.
Du kannst gehen.
Immer leiser.
Just kill him.
This isn't in self-defense.
Isn't it though? If it means he can't come back to hurt us?
That isn't the same thing.
But last time...
Joyce, that was a long time ago. If we kill this man, then we're giving up a part of ourselves that we can never get back.
Oh, das ist so geil. Lass mich gefangen. Oh, ist das gut. Oh, ja, die Augen fester.
Cut him free.
I hope you guys know what you're doing.
Give him some food.
Der hat penetrante Untertitel. Der Rote.
Get him out of here. I don't know if you can understand a word I'm saying, but you better understand this. You came this close to death today. And if you ever come near this place again, or tell anybody where we are, you'll wish you had died today.
Und jetzt mach ich dir Brot.
Bin ich doch ein Schnitzel auf dem Weg?
Ja. Hat mir noch Milch da?
Oh, es geht über längere Zeitspannen. Ich weiß aber nicht mehr, wo es angefangen hat.
Do you have any fours?
Jetzt Döner. Döner.
Retzdöner.
Jetzt Döner.
Do you have any sevens?
Zombie-Döner.
Tschüss, die Seven.
Yep.
Everyone. It was stupid, but fun. Why don't we do that anymore?
Since the attack, there's a lot we don't do anymore.
Oh,
Shouldn't have
okay.
let that guy go. Boyd would still be alive and everything would be the same.
Boyd agreed it was the right thing to do. Anyway, Roman's obsessed with keeping this place secured now.
Alle habt ihr einen Gelos und dann sind sie wohl zurückgekommen und dann die Bude aufgeräumt. Auf der anderen Seite, wenn du ihn killst, wäre bestimmt die Gruppe trotzdem kommen.
Roman isn't taking any chances.
And he should fix the loose board
Maybe.
behind the storage lots.
Becca, are you sneaking out again? Don't let anyone else know about that spot. Just in case.
In case of what?
In case something happens and we need to get out of here in a hurry. We've got to always be prepared.
Shell, need to talk to you.
It's open. What's going on?
Hey, Becca.
Hey,
Hey, Bacon.
When you get a sec, I need you to come out and talk to me. It's important.
Oh oh.
Okay.
I'll be outside. You'll see me.
Give us a minute.
Yeah, just don't take too long.
what was that all about?
Erst muss das Spiel fertig machen.
Maybe he found out about the boards?
Shit. You think so?
If he did, I won't say anything. But you better stay away from there for a while.
Okay.
Stay here. It'll be just a minute. I'll fill you in when I get back.
Okidoki. Roman, wo bist du? Lalala. Ah,
No one's watering these.
die Welt geht unter und wir bepflanzen nicht mal unsere Pflanzen. Hey Joyce, was geht ab? Was machen deine Nibbles?
Joyce, do you know what's going on?
I don't know if I should say anything.
Please, what is it?
What is it?
They caught Stephanie stealing and then trying to escape.
Whoa, Fuck.
What are they gonna do?
I don't know. What can we do?
I'll go talk to Roman. We'll figure it out.
Laufe ich in die falsche Richtung eigentlich? Ah, ne.
Roman,
Good, you're here.
I heard about Stephanie.
I'm sorry.
What are you gonna do?
You know what we do.
What happened?
We caught her trying to escape.
Maybe she wasn't.
Maybe she wasn't. Maybe she just wanted to get outside these walls for a while. Ever since the incident, you've made this place feel, I don't know, oppressive.
We've made it safe. She was definitely trying to escape. She had most of our ammo and medicine with her. She screwed us, Shell. All of us. And now we're in that position again where we can't keep her here and we can't let her go. You do know why I'm telling you this, right?
You want me to take care of it.
You and Boyd were the ones who fought to let that guy go. Convinced us all to take that chance. Well, we did. And it was wrong. And now Boyd is dead. We're beyond the luxury of taking chances now. And I need to know that you're with us 100%.
Let's talk to her
Let's
first.
talk to her first. See if we can talk some sense into her.
No. She tried to sneak out and leave us without any medicine or extra ammo. She knew that could mean the death of any one of us. If we give her a second chance, she might not try to leave so quietly. You got your gun?
It's in the camper.
I'll give you a few minutes to get your head together.
God, what do I tell Becca?
Boah, scheiße.
Whatever you say, I'll back you up.
Ich geh grad mal die Waffe holen. Nicht so.
What's wrong? Am I in trouble?
Ja, erschieße.
What I'm gonna say is gonna be hard to hear.
What is it?
It's Stephanie. She stole a bunch of ammo and medicine and tried to escape.
Oh my god.
Eigentlich müssen sie sie nicht umbringen.
Roman
Könnten sie
says
doch
she's
einfach aus dem Lager
Killer?
schmeißen.
Yeah.
Eigentlich, ja, aber dann könntest du halt verroten, wie man reinkommt und bla bla bla. Und,
Ja, aber ich denke.
She's just scared. She made a mistake.
That'll be our last mistake.
Becca, Stephanie is your friend.
Was my friend.
Roman wants me to do it.
I'm sorry. Let's just get it over with. Your gun's over there, in the drawer.
die ist ganz schön abgebrüht, die Alte.
Ist wie sie ist.
Okay. Do you want to talk about it?
No, I don't. Just want to get it over with.
Ja, die ist ganz schön abgebrüht. Keys?
You know, we don't have to do this. We can just go.
What?
We've survived on our own before. If we just go, we can be out of here before anyone can do anything about it.
Are you crazy? Where would we go? There's nothing out there. As long as we're here, we're safe. The group will protect us.
But for how long?
I don't know, longer than we'd survive out there. Besides, you know the rules. If we try to leave, Roman will hunt us down. We don't have a choice. This is who we are now.
Hm.
Ganz blöd.
Ist das vielleicht die Gruppe der Leute, die durchs Feld
I don't
später
want
rennt?
this to be who we are.
Just let me do
Sorry.
it then.
Nee, ich mach's, komm.
I'll do it. You shouldn't ever have to do something like this. I just need a second.
This really sucks.
Ist doch doof.
Yeah, it does.
Shell, it's time.
Das Fahrrad machen.
Was soll ich machen? Was soll ich machen?
Mach's interessant, nimm den Schlüssel.
Okay.
What are you doing? Shell? Shell, what the hell?
Sit down. Get safe.
Und tschüss.
You'll be safe. I promise.
What the fuck? God damn it!
Nur, ist es jetzt interessant oder war es das jetzt? Das war's. Was kommt jetzt noch?
We were right. There are survivors out here.
Still alive? Well, they're gonna be happy to get rescued. So how many are we talking about?
Das sind lauter scheiße gezeichnete Penisse da drauf.
Around 5, I think.
Around 5, I think. They left a note, so at least we know they want to be found. And I can see smoke in the distance. Probably a camp. I'm gonna try to make contact tonight.
Great. Well, just be careful and use your best judgment. We're building a good community here. We want to keep it that way.
Of course. I found him.
Holy shit. Good job. Everything okay?
So far, so good. I'm gonna try to talk to him. Wish me luck.
Yeah, good luck. Be careful. Don't try to force them into anything. Just get as many of them as you can.
You got it. Hey! Don't you...
Vince! Don't fucking move! Who the fuck are you?
My name is Tavia.
How did you find us?
Found a note.
I found your note. I'm a scout for a growing settlement up north. We go out and look for survivors to rescue them. We have food, clean water, and shelter for everyone. We're offering you a chance to help us out and start over.
God, this sounds too good to be true, but I think it is.
Bonnie, get real. Just because you have to tell the truth all the time doesn't mean everyone else does.
If I didn't trust people, I'd be dead. I know that for sure.
Die Shell scheint gar nicht dabei zu sein. Ne?
If you let them.
Like Leland cared when he let you run off alone.
That's enough, Becca. Guys, look. If I learned one thing from Danny, it's that we have to stick together and protect ourselves.
What? That guy was an asshole. You should be happy he got killed before Shell and Becca joined us.
Why?
Don't worry about it.
Aber geil, wie alles zusammenkommt.
You know what kind of people we're dealing with. The only reason I'm with you guys is because Vince saved my life.
Look, we need people, plain and simple. You folks can decide if you want to come as a group or split up or whatever. But I don't want to be out here in the open after dark. So in a few minutes, I'm going to be getting back in my car and on my way. Hopefully, at least some of you will follow me.
Ach, doch böse, die Shell.
Maybe we should go too, sis. If Roman is still looking for us, he wouldn't be able to do anything to us there.
There's no way that guy is still looking for you. We've been to that truck stop. There's no one left.
Du bist so ein dummes kleines Kind, ich bin Mathelehrer. Die Fresse, ich habe eine Brille und sehe schlau aus. Nur schon eine Scheißjacke.
But what else is there? If you guys are going, then so are we.
I don't like this, guys. We should just walk away. I don't trust her.
Of course you don't, Russell. You don't trust anyone.
I'm not lying to you.
I'm not lying to you.
How do we know that?
You don't. You don't have to come, but we'd be happy to have you.
Oh, come on, guys. I mean, we left those photos so that someone could find us, didn't we?
Well, it could be a trap. What if they want to kill us?
Thank you. Everyone out there is batshit crazy. We've all seen it.
Well, we turned out all right, didn't we?
What are we gonna do? Eat you?
Are you gonna eat us?
No, that was a joke. I'm sorry.
Was ein Tipp?
Look, I know you guys are wary, and you have every right to be. You don't know me from a hole in the ground. And yeah, there are some crazy fuckers out there. All I'm here to do is make an offer. You can come with me, or you can stay here. The choice is yours. So, who wants to come with me?
Na. Ah, der Junkie ist dabei. Und die Shell. Natürlich jetzt auch die Bäcker.
I'm just not sure. We've been out here for so long and seen so much bullshit. I mean, is it really worth getting our hopes up?
Of course it is, Russell. Hope is all we've got left.
But being smart, that's what's keeping us alive.
It's a safe place for everyone. Criminal activity isn't tolerated within our walls, period. You don't have to worry about bandits or walkers or anyone else. We look out for each other.
We understand. I think we've all made up our minds.
Well, I guess we have our group. What do you want to do with these?
Die kommen jetzt ins Feuer.
This is a good thing. I know it is.
How do we know this will work out?
Give you my word.
I give you my word.
Allerhaupt, wie sieht's aus? Welchen Fuß ich abgeschossen habe? Ja super, ich sehe ja gar nicht, was gut und was schlecht ist.
Das ist alles 50%.
Alles 50%.
Das ist noch überhaupt gar nicht richtig ausgewertet.
Nein. Stay or go. Did you stay in the car or get out? Okay. Did you leave Nate or stay with him? Did you lie to Leland? Und did you leave in the RV or killed Stephanie? Allerhopp. Ich schätze mal. Left with Chiria. Stayed in the camp. Okay. Und das beste Ergebnis ist wohl, wenn alle mitgehen, oder was?
Wahrscheinlich. Ich weiß es nicht.
Und das kommt dann auf die Entscheidung drauf an. Gut, okay. Ja, da ist
Ja.
aber die Chefrat zu sehen.
Ah ja.
Wunderbar. Wie hat das gefallen, Raven King?
Kurz. Es war kurz, aber es war... Es gab so ein paar Punkte, die haben mir nicht so gefallen.
Aber man muss sagen, es hat die Lenkkarte von einer Episode.
Ja.
Und... Ja. Und war ein guter DLC eigentlich. Es hat jetzt, was, $5 gekostet?
Dafür, das ist okay.
Also 3-4 Euro ist okay. Wir warten aber immer noch auf Season 2 mit der Clementine. Wollen wissen, wie es die Clementine geht?
Es war einfach mal wieder schön, das zu spielen und zuzugucken. Und
ja, war schön. Doch.
wieder Walking Dead Feeling zu haben, auch wenn es nicht ganz an die Hauptmissionen drauf kommt.
Ne, das Normale ist, was ist denn das? Was hat denn der da am Arg? Ist das eine Kugel kurz bevor es ihn trifft? Aber wo kommt die her? Aus dem Boot?
Ja.
Was ist das?
Ich glaube, der sieht schlecht, der hat einfach so...
Ach, ich glaube, der hat einen Schraubenzieher im Gesicht. Ah, doch, also.
Ja.
Der Eddie, der Charlie, der Jerry, die Joyce, der Justin, der Leland, der Markus, der Nate, der Robert, der Roman, Justin, der Leland, der Markus, der Nate, der Robert, der Roman, der Russell, die Shell, Stephanie, Survivor Radio, Tavia, Tini, Carlos, Vince, Walt, Wyatt. Das war so
Alle waren sie dabei, alle waren sie dabei.
Beste Freunde. Wir alle. 2002 ist sau alt, du Arsch.
Was?
Extra Special Things.
Guck mal, Tony, Johnny, David, Sean, Matt, Mike, Mel und Mirko, scheiße. Matthew, Ikobi, Andrew. Das Ding, Jung, Wong, Cho, so, scheiße.
Und du.
Und du.
Und du, Wackermann, die Cobra. Super. Okay, ich hoffe, ihr habt Spaß gehabt. So eine kleine Lücke fühlen, bis Season 2 kommt. Was wahrscheinlich noch ewig lang dauert. Ich halt's kaum aus. Und wir sehen uns spätestens bei Season 2 oder in unsere anderen Let's Plays. Oder
Da gibt's so vieles.
wir haben so viel Zeit.
So viel Google
Schaut
Spaß
einfach
an.
mal bei nageria.net vorbei, abonniert unseren Channel, macht was ihr wollt.
Wir machen's eher nicht.
Wir machen es eh nicht. Ein paar Kommentare haben wir schon.
Ja,
Manche
echt,
Leute
3,
finden
4.
uns-
Ja,
Ja,
gut,
3, 4,
das
5.
sind geil.
Manche Leute finden uns ganz gut. Findet man schön. Aller Leute, bis dann. Vielen Dank. Tschüss.
Tschüss.